Hi everyone, it's Rigo. Come meal prep with me. We're keeping it easy and simple. I'm going to show you what I eat during the week. We're going to cut some chicken, put it on the grill. Once that's done, we're going to make some rice, put it in containers, and that's simple. When I'm cooking chicken breast, sometimes it's too thick, so I cut it in half. But what I have right now in front of me is perfect. So I'm going to season it with garlic salt, lemon, and pepper. And then I'm going to spray it with some extra virgin oil. If you're trying to watch your calories, I would recommend to use spray oil. You just hold it for a couple seconds and you don't have the hassle of trying to track all that oil you spent on one chicken breast. This is what I do when I'm meal prepping. I grab my plate that I'm gonna use, I zero it out on my scale, and then I grab about 300 calories worth of chicken. How I see that, I connect it on my app on my phone, and I find chicken. Once I found chicken, I place it down, I grab on the bigger side until it hits 300 calories. Okay, it hit 300. It's 318, but that's fine for now. And then after that, I save it, and then I scroll down and find white rice. But before I do that, I gotta cancel it out. And then, like you see, white rice, and then I find the portion. I usually do 200 calories worth of rice. So in total, it could be like 500. Okay. Like you could see, I have 200 calories worth of white rice. And then once that's done, I just repeat the cycle until I don't have anything left over.